workouts, and helpful advice. Add this video to your favorites. It will guide you when you train. Next exercise, squat plus rear lunges. 3, 2, 1, go. If you are unable to complete this movement, bend your legs less. Don't exceed the tip of your foot with your knee during the lunges and squats. Don't touch the floor with the knee of the back leg during lunges. Keep your abs and butt constantly tight to stabilize the spine and prevent injuries. Don't bend or curve your back by keeping your abs constantly tight. Slowly perform the movements to maximize effectiveness. Don't bend your head. Try staring at a fixed point in front of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, push-ups with rotation. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you can't, rest your knees on the ground while performing the push-up. Do not bend or curve your back during the exercise. To be able to do this, maintain your abdomen constantly tight. Be sure not only to rotate the torso, the shoulders and pelvis will move at the same time, and the arm should be extended while it's being lifted. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, mountain climber. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try resting your foot on the ground when you bring it forward. Do not bend your back. Keep it parallel to the floor. Keep the abs tight to keep a better balance. Do not bend or curve your neck while running. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, rear lunges plus knee kick. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you are unable to complete this motion, try bending less the supporting leg. Don't touch the floor with the knee of the back leg when you bring down the basin. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides in the shortest time possible. Go. Make sure not to exceed the tip of the foot with the knee of the front leg. Don't bend or curve your back during the exercise. Keep your abs constantly tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you can't, do not jump, but instead raise the feet in a lateral direction one at a time. Avoid violent impact with the floor during the descent. In order to do this, always land on your toes. Do not bend or curve your back during the exercise. To avoid errors, keep the abdominals tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, squats. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you are unable to complete this movement, bend your legs less. When you are performing the descent, be sure not to exceed your toes with your knees. Do not curve your back while performing the exercise. To be able to correctly do this, maintain the abdominals and the glutes well contracted. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, burpees. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you are unable to complete this movement, do not jump. Be sure to control the movement when you stretch the body, keeping the abdominals tight. Do not bend your arms while jumping. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, rear lunges. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you can't do it, try bending less the legs. Don't touch the floor with the knee of the back leg when you bring down the basin. Make sure not to exceed the tip of the foot with the knee of the front leg. Don't bend or curve your back during the exercise. Keep your abs constantly tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Next exercise, high plank. Open and close legs. 3, 2, 1. Go. If you cannot do it, try taking one leg at a time to the side without hopping. Do not lift your bottom too much during the hop. Your back and glutes should remain low in order to concentrate the work in the abdominal area. Be sure not to bend your neck. The head should always remain in line with the back. It helps to stare at a fixed point on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.